Marvelous Monday, kindergartners. Welcome back to Distance Learning. I hope you enjoyed the beautiful weekend and had a chance to get outside. And first of all, I just want to say thank you to all the friends that were able to join me at our first Google Classroom Hangout. And I'm super excited. It went so well. You boys and girls did such an amazing job. You were patient, you were good listeners, and it looked like you had a lot of fun. So, I would like to try another Google Hangout meeting, and our next one is going to be this Thursday at 10 o'clock. Now, each week we'll have one towards the end of the week, and I'm hoping to kind of be flexible with the times. So we might have a morning one and we might have an afternoon one. They are not mandatory, but the more friends that can join us, the better. And this Thursday, when we do our Google Hangout, I have a super fun activity that we're going to do together. Boys and girls, you are going to love it. So I hope you're able to join us at 10 o'clock this Thursday. I will send out an invitation, a link for that meeting the morning of Thursday. So be looking for that. All right, let's get started with our morning meeting. We're going to start with a fun greeting today, and it's one that we've practiced before. It's called hello, 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 how are you? So if you want to, you can sing. We're just going to sing it one time, and you can kind of wave at me as I'm waving at you. Ready? Here we go. Hello, 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 how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. I really do hope you're doing great today. Let's read our morning message. Here we go. April 27, 2020. Dear Snap Word Detectives. That's telling me that you might be doing something with snap words today. Let's read more. Today is Monday. You will learn a fun snap word game with Mrs. Feldkamp in Reader's Workshop. Oh, that's what you're doing. Practice addition in math with Mrs. Coleman and have music with Dr. Webster. Your seesaw attendance post. So listen carefully. This is what you're going to do so that I can mark you for attendance. Write a sentence to me about your weekend using at least 3 snap words. Remember, those are our sight words. And today, Mrs. Feldkamp will be giving you many ideas of different snap words you can use. So here's an example. And I'm actually going to have you help me look for how many snap words I used. So this is what I did this weekend. I'm going to practice like I'm writing my sentence to you. I went for a long bike ride with Eleanor. That's one of the fun things I did. But remember, I have to use at least 3 snap words. So I'm going to circle the snap words I used. Okay, the first word is I. That's a snap word. So you could use the word I in your sentence. Went. Went is actually a snap word too. For. For is also a snap word. That is a snap word. Look it. I've already used 1, 2, 3, 4 snap words in my sentence. See how easy it was? Long, that's not a snap word. Bike is not a snap word. Ride is not a snap word. With, with is a snap word. I'm going to circle that. And Eleanor is a person's name. It's not a snap word. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 snap words. Now remember, I challenge you to use at least 3 snap words, but you might be able to do more. Also, you have the option of typing in the response back to me if you want to on Seesaw, or you could write it down on a piece of paper and take a picture of it. I love to see when kids do their own writing. So you can do that either way. All right, next, our last part of our message is our student shout out. And I'm super excited about this person today because they have something pretty special about their name that not a lot of people do. This person is a girl. Now here's a really big clue in what makes this person's name so special. Her first name starts and ends with the same letter. That means the first letter of her name and the last letter of her name are the same. There's another special trick about her name. You can read it forwards and backwards and it spells the same. I'm going to give you some more clues. All right, this person wears super cute dresses to school. Oh, here's a good clue. Her mom just recently had a baby, and we got to see the baby at one of our meetings this week. It's Hannah! All right, now watch how I write Hannah's name, and you're going to see a special trick. Her name begins with an H, Hannah. Then we have an A, an N, another N, and another A, and another H. Oh my goodness. Okay, look at the cool trick her name does. It starts with an H and it ends with an H. We can spell her name the same way, forwards and backwards. Watch. H-A-N-N-A-H. Now I'm going to go backwards. H-A-N-N-A-H. Isn't that a cool trick? Thanks, Hannah, for letting us use your name today. All right, now the next thing we have to do is we have to circle the vowels and the consonants. Well, we'll circle the vowels and then we'll count the consonants. We want to find out, and we're going to make an addition sentence today, kind of like what you might be doing with Mrs. Coleman. So first we want to circle all the vowels in Hannah's name. And I don't know about you, but I spied the two vowels right away, the A's. The rest are just consonants. So I'm going to write that Hannah has two vowels in her name. Then we're going to add the consonants. Let's count the ones we didn't circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So she has 4 consonants in her name. All right, let's go ahead and add it up. We have 2 plus 4 more. Remember, it's okay to use your wiggly fingers. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hannah has 6 letters in her name. All right, are you ready for my favorite part? That's right, it's time to give a shout out to Hannah. Remember, when I count to 3, I want you to yell and dance around as loud as you can. But if you have a baby sleeping, then dance around as loud as you can without making a sound. Are you guys ready? We're going to give a big shout out to Hannah. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Hannah. We hope that you have a great day. We miss you. We hope you have fun learning. Thanks for letting us use your name. Bye, Hannah. All right, I hope Hannah had fun hearing her name today. All right, we're going to go to our next part of our morning meeting, and that is our calendar. Now, since we didn't do our calendar on Friday, I went ahead and filled in the number 24 for Friday and the rest of the pattern. But now we're going to start on Monday because I said today is Monday. So we're going to look at what number comes after 26. And if I need to go back to help me, I can. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. And the 20s start with a 2 and then I hear a 7. All right, the next part is the shape, and yesterday we had an egg, and after eggs I can look back, I see a rabbit, so the rabbit is going to come next. Now if you look at our calendar, we have 1, 2, 3 more days for April on our calendar, but if you look over here, Friday is all grayed out. There's 2 reasons. The first reason is we do not have school on Friday. Friday is a teacher day, so guess what? I have to work. But kids, you don't. You get that day off. So I'm going to cross it off to help us remember. But also, this is the last day of April right here on Thursday. That means on Friday, we're going to turn to a new month. Now, I'm not going to tell you yet, but I want you to think about what month comes after April in our calendar. All right, the last part is we're going to move our arrows, and guess what? I already moved them, but I'm going to read it. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. That means tomorrow is Tuesday. All right, let's keep going. All right, let's think about the weather. Now, it's a little cloudy. It could be a little bit rainy by your house, but I looked at the forecast and it said that most of the day is going to be sunny. So I'm going to add a sunny right here because I don't know if it might be raining or sunny at your house today. All right, and so far, look at April has been a very sunny month. That's awesome. All right, next we're going to fill in the thermometer, and I'm so excited about today's temperature. I just checked my phone and it said today's temperature is going to be, are you ready for this? We've never done this on our thermometer, 73 degrees. So I'm going to go to Monday's thermometer. This is the first one. I'm going to find 70, so I can go right to 70, or I could count by tens, but I know 70 is in the 73 is in the 70s. Now 73 isn't quite to 80. It's not quite in the middle. It's a little bit under the middle. So I'm going to put it about right there. Boys and girls, look at how much of our thermometer we get to fill in today. Wow. And I'm going to write 73 at the top. 73 is a 7 and a 3. And remember, this little circle means degrees, and Fahrenheit is the way we measure temperature in our country, the United States of America. So today is 73. Now think, yesterday was about 65, 66. So today is going to be much warmer than yesterday. So if you wore short sleeves or shorts yesterday, you probably will today too. All right, we're going to go to our next part. We're getting close to the end. All right, I filled in Friday's tally for how many days we've come to school. So it was 17. What number comes after 17? 18. And all I have to do is erase the 7 because 18 is a teen number and it begins with a 1 and is an 8 at the end. And I'm going to go ahead and make another tally down because I don't have 4 in a row yet. So I have 5, 10, 15, plus 3 more is 18. All right, are you ready for our last part? All right, today we're going to do counting by tens, and I'm going to challenge you to go all the way to 120. To get our brains ready, let's make sure that we have lots of space around us so we can do our morning exercises. Now you can do push-ups, sit-ups, jumping jacks, shuffling, lunges, whatever you choose. But I want to hear you counting all the way to 120. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Way to go, kindergartners. You did a great job counting. Now remember, think about what you did this weekend and make sure you write a sentence to me using at least 3 snap words. I look forward to hearing what you did over the weekend. Have a great day of learning.